Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this exclusive property for sale in Milan. This gorgeous property that we are about to see is 1,200 square meters and is divided into 2 units. However, it could become 3 units thanks to the various independent accesses. Right now, we are in the first unit, which has a spacious foyer, and continuing along the open space is this gorgeous kitchen with white cupboards and Smeg appliances. And the red backsplash gives a touch of color. This is where the living area opens up and is divided into distinct spaces. Opposite to the kitchen is this gorgeous dining area, perfect for hosting a large number of guests. Central to the room is a lounge area with designer couch, and if we look up, we have this large sunroof, from which the space gets a lot of natural light. Adjacent and at the end of the room is the cinema room. That, thanks to the curtains, when closed up, gives a true cinema effect. This unit is developed on 2 floors, so follow me and let's check it out. As mentioned, this part of the property could become a separate unit. However, at the moment, it is all one with the rest of the apartment that we will see in a moment. Right here, we have this lovely multifunctional music room, and from here we connect to the bedroom area on this side of the house, where we find a kid's bedroom with ensuite bathroom and the master bedroom. One thing that I absolutely love about this property is the amount of windows and natural light that it enjoys. The master suite wraps around this internal installment that adds that lovely touch of greenery. The master bedroom has simple yet elegant lines. It is filled with natural light, and it has this beautiful accent wall, stone wall, that attracts our attention to the built-in hot tub and rain shower. And if we want to cuddle up during the cold winter months, it has a beautiful gas-burning fireplace. Right now, we are in the main part of the property, which is developed on 3 floors and has its own independent access. Right now, we are on the top floor, where we have an internal dining area connected to an external terrace where you can enjoy your al fresco meals, embellished by a vertical garden. And on the opposite side of the internal dining area, we have access to the guest bathroom that serves the floor, as well as the kitchen. This beautiful designer kitchen that has wooden cupboards, stainless steel breakfast table and countertops, and all Siemens appliances. And if during your meals you want to enjoy your favorite shows, you can do that thanks to this large flat screen. Central to the floor is the access to the main entrance to the property. This property has an absolutely unique feature, which is that it wraps around two internal courts that provide lightness and elegance to the spaces. This area of the house is dedicated to entertainment. Here you have everything your heart could ever desire. We have this large, cozy L-shaped couch, ideal for listening to your favorite music or reading a good book, a foosball, flipper, and from here we can access an internal terrace with the most beautiful artwork on the walls. This is a staircase that will lead us to the lower floor that we will see in a moment. On the opposite side of the terrace and along the hallway is the TV room, with a large flat screen TV and couch that wraps around the space. Perfect for watching your favorite movies and TV shows with your friends and family. On this lower level of the house is the bedroom area. To my left is an access to the service quarters and a first guest bedroom. The guest bedroom has access onto this lovely terrace that we can see thanks to the large window along the hallway. From here we can truly enjoy the vertical garden, and it has a zen feeling to it. The guest bedroom shares this lovely terrace with the master bedroom. Here we have beautiful wooden floors, ensuite bathroom with rain shower, his and her sink, and separate water closet. And a really cool feature is that from here we can take a sneak peek onto the internal pool. Opposite to the master bedroom is a second guest bedroom with beautiful Murano glass lighting and its own ensuite bathroom. But now follow me and let's check out the internal swimming pool. We are now on the lowest level of the property where we have an indoor pool. This home has it all. The pool is internally illuminated, surrounded by a teak sunbathing area, and has a lovely stone wall. From the bedrooms above, we have a view over the pool. The amazing features that this floor has to offer are not done here. The pool is served by a rain shower, and here we have a lounge area and hammam. Other than that, the floor offers a home fitness area for fitness lovers and a home cinema. We are now in the third unit. This area of the house is developed on 2 floors and is 500 square meters. The unit, as you can see, has been recently renovated. To my right are the changing rooms with a first bathroom, while to my left are double bathrooms and a kitchenette. However, the true heart of the property opens up here. We have this spacious room with stage, which is perfect to organize events, a movie showing, or even an art exhibition. The whole space has lovely details highlighted with LED lights. It has a surround sound system and beautiful light-colored wooden floors. The upper floor features an office, a technical room, and a bathroom. Other than the independent access, we also have an internal access that connects this space to the apartment. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this exclusive property for sale in Milan. On that note, ciao!